Hey guys, we're finally back with the Russian US. So the reason we've been off the grid for a while is, well, to keep a long story short, I had to move into a new house. And that house needed quite a lot of work before I could really move in. On top of that, we had to move out of the old garage, so we had to build and set up a new garage at my new house. Took much longer than we had ever hoped, but we're here now and we're ready to get back at it. This project we actually started about 3 years ago, before all of this other stuff, and it's just been sitting in the meantime, so it's looking a little worse than where we got it to, but we've already done a lot of work to this. Now the car was really worn and slightly beat up when we got it. So we took it back to the shop and started doing a lot of work. Now everything we've done to it up to this point has really just been to make it drivable. Unfortunately, while it's been sitting, there's been some kids playing in it and stuff, so it's looking a little worse for wear. But we're gonna fix all this up, and then we get to the really fun part, which is making this into an actual off-roader. So we got it apart as much as we need to right now. Back when we started this project, we ordered this little care package from izh-TECHNO in Russia. We have some reinforced axles, some lower gears, and a diff lock. So now we got the driveline all sorted out and back in place. So now we can focus on all the safety equipment and the accessories. Okay, so as for the engine, we're not really going to do a whole lot. We already checked it out and found that it's in pretty decent condition and it runs about as well as you can expect from one of these. So we're really just going to give it a big service and waterproof it, and we'll add a snorkel to it. Okay, wheels and tires. We're just going to use what we already had lying around for this. I already had these wheels that conveniently fit this bolt pattern. They are a little bit narrow, but we went ahead and turned them into beadlock rims, so not only will that allow us to keep our tires on, but it'll make them a little bit wider as well. though we were planning to go with 33s, we figured we already had these, so they're gonna go on here for now. These are 31 by 10, 5, 15. Even though one of the tires I already had is more like a bogger type pattern, but that's gonna go on as a spare. this is it. Well, it's not really it. There's still a few parts missing and a couple little things we have to sort out. But for now, this is it. We will be putting up some more detailed videos on this, but we're going to end this here now because we really just wanted to say that we're back, and we'll see you out there.